boys. And lady, say howdy to the folks.
Howdy to the folks.
I'm Rocky, and I'd sure like for y'all to meet these homies at the harbor. Bubba Bunga. Henry Howells.
She's calling me right.
Our Southern Belle, Henrietta Hatfield.
It sure is lovely to see y'all, boy.
Antonio Berticelli.
Buongiorno, spaghetti, fettuccine,
What is he talking about there? Y'all have to excuse me, folks. The truth is he was born in Nebraska. It's in the blood, in the mind, in the heart.
But when he sings just plain American.
What can I say?
Together, folks, we are Rocky and the Railroad Travelers.
And
And here comes Mockingbird Hill.
When the sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses from falling their seal, and my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops on Mockingbird Hill. Oh, Tweety, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. From our Tweety, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Three-cornered plow and an acre to fill, and a mule that I bought for a $10 bill. There's a combo down shack and a rusty old mill, but it's my home sweet home up on Mockingbird Hill. Tweety, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. La Tweety, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. La Tweety, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. La Tweety, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Don't even sound like Italian birds.
Hey, when you finish riding all these great rides here, come on back to see us.